Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wish Infinite. In this course, we are going to start learning Python from very basics. We will cover each and every aspect of Python that is required to become an AI engineer. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, and there are clear reasons for that. It is easy to learn, the syntax is clean, and it almost reads like English. It is perfect for AI and data work. Throughout the complete AI engineering course, we will be using Python. It allows rapid development, meaning fewer lines of code, faster prototyping, and quicker results. And Python also has a strong job market, with opportunities in AI, data science, automation, and backend development. This course is designed for complete beginners as well as developers and QA engineers who want a strong Python foundation for AI. So let's start step by step and learn Python the right way. This course is designed to make learning simple, structured, and practical. We start with beginner-friendly approach, so even if you have zero programming experience, you can follow along comfortably. Each topic comes with clear theory and easy notes, so you understand the concept and can revise it quickly later. After every lesson, you will get quick recap to help you remember the key points without rewatching the full video. We will also cover common interview questions explained in simple way, so you know how concepts are asked in real interviews. Learning is incomplete without practice, so you will get hands-on assignment to apply what you learn and build confidence. All the code used in course will be available on GitHub repository, so you can practice and experiment on your own. For fast revision, we will also have YouTube shorts covering important Python topics. So here, once you will visit my channel Wish Infinite, and then if you will go to this playlist tab, you would be able to see this main Python course. Apart from that, you are going to see this Python shorts course. So here I would be creating different shorts for different topics which we cover as part of main course. So it is going to be very easy for you to revise all the topics. During interviews also, you can just go through the shorts videos for quick preparation. If you get stuck, you will have a quick support where you can ask questions anytime in any language. And guys, again, I'm repeating, if you are having very basic question or very basic doubt, don't get hesitated, right? No one will judge you. Just post your question or doubt into the comment section of the video. I should be able to help. And here, I will request to all the viewers, if you are seeing any of the question in any of the video which you are watching, and if you know the answer, try to help each other. Don't wait for me to reply on it. So by this way, we would be able to help each other. Also guys, if you are having any feedback, if it is good or bad, or any suggestions, feel free to let me know into the comment section below. We will also have live sessions for question and answers, quizzes, and special membership giveaways. And for members, there is a bonus early access to videos before they are released publicly. So guys, if you want to buy the channel membership, for that you can go to my channel Wish Infinite, and there you would be able to see this join button. Here you can unlock exclusive perks while helping the channel grow. Your support means a lot. And as a token of appreciation, members can see their YouTube profile pictures featured randomly on channel homepage here. And guys, taking the membership is totally optional if you want to support the channel, and if you want to get some extra perks, in that case you can take the channel membership. And that's it from my end. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto the second card to access this whole Python playlist. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions, or doubts, let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.